Hello, my name is Erik. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm a cinematographer, and I recently used the Stellar recovery software. It got me out of a tough situation. We were filming a feature film for about 10 days, and on day four, I was copying files over to an SSD drive, or I thought I was. Apparently, at some point in the evening, somebody disconnected it or got bumped, or while I was again transferred over to the main hard drive. And I didn't know this till the evening, so I had about 35 corrupt files of all things we filmed for the whole day. They were gone. Um, I panicked, so I immediately downloaded the Stellar software, which I looked for a bunch of reviews online. It was getting 5 stars, A+, very reliable. So I gave it a try, and I saved every one of my files. And not only that, it saved me probably thousands of dollars and having to reshoot scenes and get actors back and camera gear rentals. It would have been catastrophic if we lost all those files. But luckily, we were able to recover them. It took about 30 minutes, half hour to scan the SSD drive, and all the files are there. They weren't corrupt. They were just as good as they were. We filmed in 6K, 4K, so the resolution was fine. No broken pixels or anything like that. So I highly recommend Stellar recovery software especially if you're in that industry of filming, because like I said, it would have cost me at least a few $1,000s if I didn't have that software. So I have the software now in my computer, and it saved me some other times too. I lost some drone footage about 3 weeks ago. Again, the SD card got corrupt, and I was able to recover every file from day one. I've had the drone for about 4 months now, and every file was there. So again, anything with SD cards, SSD cards, absolutely use this software. I cannot recommend it enough. Thank you so much.